Let's talk about this tankless water heater. It's electric, eco-touch, instant hot water, energy saving and cost efficient, easy to control. It is a space saver. It has a very nice, sleek look. I think this is a very pretty. It comes with instructions and the accessories to put it in. It's a pretty simple installation process. Thermostat is precise enough you can hardly feel the temperature change. This is the instruction booklet. Very straightforward. And this is a template that you put on the wall so that you know where to put the screws in to mount the hot water heater. This is the screw and brackets to mount it with. It's very simple to install here. You just put your screws in. Pretty simple wiring process. And right here, you can see how easy it is to adjust the temperature settings. This hot water heater is a great size. It is 13 by 8 by 2, 8 kilowatts at 240 volts. Plumbing connections, 1/2-inch NPT, a 40 amp double pole circuit breaker, and a set of 8 AWG/2 wires with ground are required. It is perfect for under sinks, bathrooms, kitchen, dishwasher, washing machine, and etc. We installed this in our pet grooming business for a unlimited hot water source all day. Gifted to us in exchange for our review.